We're gonna find you someone you like.
You need to prove you're looking for work. 3 signatures by tomorrow, or you tell it to the judge.
Excuse me, what are you doing?
Relax, it's not a holdup. Just sign this room, please.
How would I say?
Slowly. What, don't your arms work?
They don't.
You can move your mouth.
I need assistance.
How much does it pay? Hell yeah!
Let's just call this what it is. It's a game. In this game, you get 3 strikes. Strike 1.
You're waterboarding me.
Strike 2.
Right here. That's right here.
Strike 3,
That was a foul tip.
which I caught.
Which car is yours?
All of these to the right.
Oh my God.
They're not practical.
Exactly. You just gonna give him $10,000?
It's a nonprofit. That would be a no.
Worth a shot.
I specifically said nothing for my birthday.
I'm sorry you gotta have a surprise party in your huge mansion. Are you mad? You wanna break this big ass bottle of wine?
What?
Dell made a mess.
So I surrender.
Hey, babe.
This is the moment I surrender.
I'm not doing that, man.
Just relax. I am relaxed. This is me being relaxed.
Is it Chaplin?
No.
No.